If you have ever tried to recreate that perfect, leopard-spotted Neapolitan crust in a home kitchen oven, you know it's just not the same. That is exactly why the Gozney Arc XL exists. This isn't just an outdoor oven. It is a professional-grade culinary tool that brings the heat, speed, and precision of a world-class pizzeria directly to your backyard. Whether you are a casual weekend griller or an aspiring pizza artisan, the Arc XL is designed to deliver consistent, mouth-watering results with almost zero learning curve. Here is why this oven is the ultimate backyard centerpiece. The 60-second bake. This oven hits a scorching 950 degrees Fahrenheit. That kind of heat is the secret to a perfectly crispy, airy crust that is cooked to perfection in just 60 seconds. You aren't just making dinner. You are hosting an experience. Massive capacity. With a build designed for a 16-inch pizza, you have plenty of room to maneuver. It's perfect for those large, artisan pies, or even for roasting vegetables, searing steaks, and baking sourdough bread that you just can't achieve in a standard kitchen oven. Precision flame control. Gozney's engineering is legendary for a reason. The unique lateral gas burner mimics the rolling flame of a traditional wood-fired oven, giving you even, beautiful, consistent heat across the entire cooking surface without the mess of hauling and managing wood. Sleek, durable design. Finished in a stunning off-black, the Arc XL looks as good as it performs. It's built to withstand the elements, meaning it's a permanent, beautiful addition to your patio that is always ready to go at the turn of a knob. It takes the frustration out of outdoor cooking. No more watching your pizza burn on one side while staying raw on the other. Just pure, professional-grade performance every time you fire it up. It is the kind of upgrade that turns a simple Tuesday night into an event. If you are finally ready to elevate your outdoor cooking and serve up restaurant-quality pizzas at home, you can find the best price for the Gozney Arc XL by clicking the link below.